I think of working in areas such as matters related to Indian child welfare, I do think that it can be somewhat more challenging or more difficult because of the difficult subject matter. There's certainly a terrible legacy in the United States of removing incredibly large percentages of Indian children from their families. And it's been documented that historically, prior to the passage of the Indian Child Welfare Act, that 25 to 35% of Indian children were removed from their homes. And that's also following a legacy of the forced placement of Indian children into Indian boarding schools. And in some ways, it's also somewhat challenging because we also have personal relationships with family members and ancestors who've experienced that. And so in my own family, my mother and her siblings were removed from their family and placed into foster care. And so that certainly fuels a desire on my part to try to contribute in any way possible to improve understanding of this area of the law, improve understanding about our nation's history with respect to this subject matter, and to ensure that the legislative remedies enacted by Congress are being faithfully followed by state courts. And there have been a number of state law doctrines that have developed with respect to Indian child welfare. In some cases, they haven't been entirely consistent with the requirements of ICWA, and so we are absolutely committed to trying to offer clarity and ensure that there's greater uniformity in this area of law.